Good day, class, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are now on the new season of art education. So, let's go. Alright, good day, class. We're now on the new season of our art education. So, during the pandemic and until face-to-face, we're focused on grade 9. So this time, dito na tayo sa grade 8. Alright, hindi ko na papatagalin. So let's now proceed to our first lesson, the elements of arts. Welcome to another season of our art education. So this time, dito tayo sa grade 8. And our first lesson is the elements of art and principles of art design by yours truly. Okay, first one, elements of design. Here are the following elements of design. First, we have the line, form, space, texture, shape, color, and value. So, iisa-isahin natin ito ngayon. First, we have the lines. So, what are the lines? Lines may be strokes that show motion and connect two points, maybe vertical, horizontal, diagonal, curve, straight, or zigzag, or a line that shows emotions. Next one, we have this, a form. This shows an object in space, the mass or positive space it occupies. The term usually used when describing a 3D objects. So here's one example of 3D objects. Next one, we have a space. So space refers to the distance or areas around, between, and within components of a piece. About space, ang tawag namin mga artist dito sa space na to, it's a negative space. So, if you can see or kung makikita nyo sa picture na to, may mga or maraming space. So, yung pinaka-object na hina-highlight ay either nasa gitna or nasa rule of thirds. So, ginagamit ito para ma-highlight ang isang subject. Of course, we have also durian. Of course, this is texture. Texture, this is the feel, real, or implied on an object. It is its smoothness or roughness. And we have also texture. This about the roughness or smoothness of an artwork. And merong mga paintings or artworks na sa tingin pa lang you can describe it if it is rough. Of course, we have shapes. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na two-dimensional. Area enclosed when both sides of a line meet. Shapes can be geometric or organic. So, it can be a 2D or 3D. Alright, next one. Ito yung mga pinaka-favorite ng mga artists. We have the colors. Colors may be hue, may be complementary, analogous, primary, secondary, tertiary, or part of a color wheel. The most important part of art, of course, ang color. Okay? Pag walang color, ano yan? Black and white. So, mukhang patay ang kulay, malungkot ang kulay. Kaya, color is very important. Kaya, life is beautiful pag may color sa paligid. Colors can be monochromatic, pero ito hindi dito mukhang monochromatic eh. Okay, I think that's two or more colors. And also, colors can be multiple colors like this one. Alright, next one, we have value. Value, the lightness or darkness of an object or colors often used in drawings and paintings. It's a shading. Alright, we're done now in elements of arts.
So if you learned something, post this video and comment down below kung anong natutunan ninyo sa ating lecture. Okay, let's go now to the principles of design. Here are the contents under the principles of design. We have emphasis, we have movement, we have unity, the rhythm, contrast, variety, and balance.
Okay, principles of design. Number one, we have the emphasis. When one area in a work of art stands out more than another, the part that catches your attention. So that is emphasis. Example of emphasis, yung pinaka naka-highlight na object. Next one, we have the movement. The motion created in a work of art often uses the principle of rhythm to achieve this. That's the example, the painting of a horse.
Movement is also important in art. It shows a movement from one place going to another. Just save some spaces. Parang sa photography, sa shows sa action. Kaya ito yung mostly mga hinahanap ng mga judges sa mga art contest. Yung artwork mo dapat nagpapakita rin ng mga movements.
Next, principles of design. Can you guess this? That's right, it's about unity or harmony. The feeling of harmony between all parts of the artwork, creating a sense of completeness. We have also the rhythm. Rhythm is the repetition of lines, shapes, or colors to create a feeling of movement. Next one, we have contrast. So a difference created when elements are placed next to each other in a work of art. Colors can be contrasted or an object. Here's one example of my artwork. Yung isa, yung babae, si Rory Mercury, galing sa internet yan. So, tinabi ko dun sa ginawa ko. That shows contrasting colors. Rory Mercury wears red, and while my character is wearing blue. So, makikita mo dyan yung contrasting colors. The next one, we have variety. This is the use of different lines, shapes, and colors in a piece of artwork. One example, yung nakikita ninyo. We have another one. So, ito yung ginawa ko para sa kindergarten's book. Next one, we have the balance. Balance refers to how the elements of art, maybe line, shape, color, value, space, form, texture, relate to each other within the composition in terms of their visual weight to create a visual equilibrium. Here are the examples of art regarding balance.
Okay, try to answer these following questions regarding our lesson. You may use the comment box in your answer. Kung may mga nakalimutan ako about sa elements of arts and principles of design, you may also comment down below in our comment box so that madagdagan ng ating kaalaman regarding elements of art and principles of design. Alright, did you learn something in our lesson? If you learned something, you may comment down below and comment down on what you have learned in our art subject. Sa mga non-grade 8, you are also welcome to comment down below. Hindi lang pang grade 8 ito this is open also sa mga art enthusiasts at sa mga gustong matuto gumuhit, whether it's traditional or digital. And don't forget also to subscribe in my YouTube channel so that you will be updated in my posts. So thank you so much guys for watching, and may God bless us all.